You know what, guys? I've got something to tell you. I've been keeping a secret for so many months already. You know what is the secret? It is about my autism son. You know what? The greatest influence sa anak ko na may autism is a news. A news about substandard project, ghost project, flood control project. Oh my God! Ito yung sikreto na i-reveal ko sa inyo. Panoorin nyo ito. Grabe guys, kahit saan kami magpunta, ito yung sinisilip ng anak ko. Unintentionally, nasilip niya ang mga project nyo. Kaya dapat pag-igihin nyo. Panoorin nyo to guys.
The flood control project,
This one,
only the substandard.
substandard project. Be careful ha, you drop there ha. Oh my God. There's so many people around here.
Napadaan kami dito sa lugar na ito at ito na ngayon ang komento ng anak ko.
Guys, this is a substandard in Cebu. There. Hello guys, this is the ghost project, only flood control project. There. In Cebu City. Mayor, why did you call by the substandard?
Wow, matagal na daw ito na project eh. Ilang years na kaya?
Hello Mayor and the good grazer man in the Cebu City. We have a flood control project there with the bridge building,
What is that?
the substandard.
Oh, the mayor have a substandard project here. What's going on there?
The flooded in the road.
Baha. Baha. Ay, parang hanggang pala doon sa dulo. Ala, grabe. Ah, hanggang pala. Akala ko dito lang. Grabe. Ang lalim ng ano. Ang lalim ng baha.
O, di ba? Sa totoo lang, kahit itong autism, nakakasilip sa mga nangyayari, kaya mapapahiya talaga kayo. Kaya nga ako nag-iingat din kasi baka masilip din, di ba?